Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's video. Today is holiday meals with Jikokoa, and today I'm going to show you how to grill beef bushkaki or beef skewers. They are super simple. It's beef, vegetables. I've served them with some baked potato, baked chips. Can serve it with regular chips, whatever you prefer, even rice with some tomato sauce. Now in this video you learn how to the technique of grilling skewers on a jiko, on a charcoal jiko. But today's video I'm actually using the Jikokoa Choma, which is actually an accessory that comes for the Jikokoa jiko. So it's something that you place on top like that. So on the video I'll explain more about it and how to get it and when to get it. So watch till the end and you see how simple it is to make them. So the first thing we want to do is just transfer everything. The meat, the vegetables, maybe I'll not use all, about that much. The onions. So I'm going to season everything together. So salt to taste. Black pepper, I love black pepper, so always add black pepper to all my food. You can use olive oil, just using regular oil. And then to this, what I'm going to do is mix everything, so everything will get the seasoning. I'm choosing to put about 3 pieces of meat and vegetables in between. So the trick here is trying to get the vegetables to be the same size as the meat when it's been skewered. So I'm adding a piece of each. Onion, and then more meat like that. So this is ready. So I'm going to place them on a plate. I'm going to make about 4 pieces of this. So the skewers are ready. I'm feeling the heat. I feel like I need more heat. Good thing is that the grill is already hot, so I want more fire, especially when starting. So what I will do, I will poke the charcoal a little bit to remove the ash that I had put and to have more fire. Adding ash on top also reduces the time it takes for the charcoal to burn. I'll place the meat. Now the idea is also to try and get them in between where the fire is. So when it comes to serving, now this is complete because the vegetables are there, the meat is there. What I have here is some chips of baked potatoes chips. I'm going to place 2 of them. A little bit of ketchup on the side, and that's a complete meal. Of course, you can always add a salad. It's never too much vegetables if you ask me. So that's been today's video, holiday meals with Jikokoa, and I hope you'll enjoy yours like I know I will enjoy mine. Goodbye.